Hello guys, welcome back in today's crypto technical analysis. Today we'll do a multiple time frame analysis for BTC and Ethereum. Starting from a weekly time frame, not going to cover too much about the weekly time frame. However, in the first place around 32,000 and all the way up to this golden pocket you have to be aware of. So when the price action was below $18,000, I mentioned that this level is important. As long as we're going to be above this level, highly likely we're going to test in the first place 30,000, followed by 32, all the way up to these levels given in advance in the first video of this year. So we're approaching very important resistance, and keep an eye on to the resistance levels. So 32, 33,000 and 36,000 are going to be extremely important levels. So based on a higher time frame, as soon as we stayed above this level, which is at $17,200 and $18,000, we saw a massive pump in the market. In the first place, our target was $30,000. As you can see, over 65%, nearly 70% pump in the market. So we're still pumping if you had a spot bags, and especially once we changed the trend based on a daily time frame, that was $19,200 and $19,500. So if we're going to calculate average, that gave us all the way up to, for your spot bags with a current price action, nearly 60% pump in the market. Moving on to a daily time frame. Based on a daily time frame, these levels were extremely important. We started pumping rejection from 618 and we saw decent dump based on a mid time frame. However, once we lost the level of $23,000, $24,000, daily time frame went back under consolidation without giving a bearish signal. We had a V-shaped recovery and we tested $30,000 plus dollars. So as I said, from $19,500 all the way for the spot bags, all the way up to the current price action, we saw over 55% pump in the market. Based on the daily as well as the mid time frame, these levels, Fibonacci levels, are extremely important. I will cover on the 4-hour time frame in a minute. So based on a daily time frame, the first resistance is going to be 28,500, 28,700 are going to be extremely important. And the next stop is going to be $32,000, followed by $34,000. Moving on to 4-hour time frame. Before we move on, I would like to remind you, if you're enjoying and learning from the contents, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. So that based on a 4-hour time frame, we had two scenarios. As long as we broke this level, which was 28,500 and 28,300 levels, as you can see that I gave in the recent videos, as I said, highly likely that we're going to go all the way up to, in the first place, $30,000. So we hit exactly the target. However, we had secondary scenario as well. We were expecting to sweep these lows. As you can see, you have to be ready for the both directions, breaking the resistance or break the support. If you're going to break the resistance, you're going to take a long. However, breaking the support, you will take the opposite direction. So at the moment, we're seeing a correction in the market. You have to be careful with your positions based on a 4-hour time frame. For those who are asking the fib levels, as you can see, that's the lowest point and that's the highest point. Based on a 4-hour time frame, as long as we're going to be above this level, 4-hour will be very safe and under the bull's control. However, in the coming 72 hours, if we're going to lose $29,300, that will give us the 4-hour will get back under the consolidation. However, it is slightly early for us to talk about at this stage. This level is decent support. As long as we're going to claim above here, then the next target based on a 4-hour time frame, 31,500, followed by all the way up to $32,000. However, it is very early for us to talk about, at this stage, the bearish scenario, losing this level, which is going to be $28,600 and $700. That will give us a trend change based on a 4-hour time frame. Then we will see a lower levels based on a 4-hour time frame. However, as I said, it is early for us to talk about these levels, and we have to stay cautious about this and then these levels. So as long as we're going to stay above these levels, as I said, 31.5 and followed by $32,000 are going to be next target levels. If you want to learn all these technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense masterclass is available, and it only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. Moving on with our analysis, and these are the scalping trades based on a lower time frames, which is a 1 to 10 minute time frames. And I started giving these setups via Twitter. So all of them are at least 3-hour trade. As you can see, entry, retested it, and then closed with a 3-hour. And exactly the same thing, it happened over here as well, with a minor 2 to 300 move dollars. And this is the next one, which was all of them are closed with a profit. However, this one I got stopped out. It couldn't hold the support and it broke. And as I said just now, I updated via Twitter. In the morning, these levels are given in advance. As I said, once we're going to break this level, I will be looking for 3 to 4 hour trade. So I got stopped out. We took this trade aiming to go all the way up to 30,700-ish plus. However, as I said, we got stopped out. But I took it, this trade, I updated via Twitter as soon as I gave these resistance and support levels about 1 hour ago. And then as you can see that we broke the support and that provided another 3.4 hour trade. So these are the scalpings. And if you're interested for the scalping setups, you can follow me via Twitter. So currently 1 hour, 2 hour, as well as the 4 hour and higher time frames are heavily under the bull's control. So as I said, this level has been broken, 28,300 and 500 average. If we're going to take it, that gave massive pump in the market, nearly 9% pump. These levels are given in advance in the previous videos. Moving on with the ETH analysis. At the moment, 1 hour, 2 hour, as well as the 4 hour time frames and the rest of the higher time frames are under the bull's control. There is nothing to worry about with the current correction. And as I said, claim this level, 1771, which was a target number 1 based on a swing setup. I showed in the recent videos how we played these levels. And 1771 was a target number 1, followed by target number 2. Yesterday, I made another update that this is going to be 2100 is going to be target 3. So at the moment, the target number 4, as long as we're going to be staying above, we're approaching to 618, the golden pocket, local golden pocket, staying above this level, and then claiming this level is going to give us the next target level that will be $2,231. And this is where you have to keep an eye on. So as you can see, we've got two targets above us. That's going to be target number 1, and followed by target 2 is going to be $2,350. So there is no need to panic, and we will see how this level is going to react based on a 4 hour time frame. As soon as we claim 1771, with a recent pump, we saw over 20% pump in the market. And we came to an end of this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.